The Ganges River flows, calm and peaceful, like it always has. This river is not just a body of water, it is a lifeline, a source of spiritual sustenance for millions. The Ganges, or Ganga as it is lovingly called, is revered as a goddess in Hinduism. Her waters are believed to purify the soul, washing away sins and granting blessings. The river's gentle flow carries with it centuries of history, culture and faith. The sun rises over Allahabad. A soft fog lifts off the water, revealing the serene beauty of the Ganges. As the first light of dawn touches the river, it seems to awaken the city, bringing with it a sense of hope and renewal. The morning air is filled with the sounds of nature and the distant chants of devotees, creating a harmonious symphony that resonates with the soul. You can already feel the excitement in the air. This is the day of the Mahakumbh Mela, a festival that draws millions from all corners of the world. The preparations have been meticulous, with every detail attended to, ensuring that the event is a grand success. The streets are filled with people, each one carrying a sense of anticipation and devotion. Millions of people have come together on the banks of the holy river. They gather in large numbers, united by their faith and the shared belief in the river's divine powers. The sight of such a massive congregation is awe-inspiring, a testament to the enduring power of faith and tradition. They are here to take a holy bath, to pray and to be made clean. The act of bathing in the Ganges is more than a ritual, it is a profound spiritual experience. As they immerse themselves in the sacred waters, they believe they are washing away their sins and starting anew. The river's touch is gentle, yet it carries the weight of their hopes and prayers. The Mahakumbh Mela is a holy journey. It is a time to make your spirit new again. Pilgrims travel great distances, enduring hardships to be part of this sacred event. Their journey is not just physical but also spiritual, a quest for enlightenment and inner peace. The Mela offers a unique opportunity to connect with the divine and with fellow devotees, creating a sense of community and shared purpose. Every 12 years this amazing event happens. The Mahakumbh Mela is a rare and extraordinary gathering, marked by its scale and significance. It is a time when the spiritual energy is believed to be at its peak, offering unparalleled opportunities for spiritual growth and transformation. The festival is a vibrant celebration of faith, culture, and the enduring human spirit. Hindus believe that at this special time, the stars and planets line up in a way that makes their power very strong. According to Hindu astrology, this celestial alignment enhances the spiritual potency of the Ganges, making it the most auspicious time for rituals and prayers. The alignment is said to create a divine energy that permeates the atmosphere, blessing all who participate in the Mela. This belief adds a layer of mysticism and reverence to the already profound experience of the Mahakumbh Mela. The Mahakumbh Mela is a special event that doesn't happen very often. It is one of the largest religious gatherings in the world, attracting millions of pilgrims from all corners of India and beyond. This grand festival is a sight to behold, with its vibrant colors, diverse rituals, and the sheer number of people coming together in devotion. The timing of the Mahakumbh Mela depends on a rare celestial alignment. Specifically, it occurs when Jupiter, the Sun, and the Moon all line up in the sky in a particular way. This alignment is believed to create a powerful spiritual energy that enhances the significance of the event. People from all walks of life come to the Mahakumbh Mela to meditate, pray, and perform various rituals by the river. They believe that this unique alignment of celestial bodies creates a strong spiritual energy that can purify their souls and bring them closer to the divine. One of the most important rituals at the Mahakumbh Mela is bathing in the sacred river. Pilgrims believe that taking a dip in the river during this auspicious time cleanses their soul, washes away their sins, and brings good luck and prosperity. Astrologers, who are experts in studying the stars and planets, play a crucial role in determining the timing of the Mahakumbh Mela. They meticulously study star charts and observe the sky to ensure that the celestial alignment is perfect. These astrologers work together, discussing and analyzing the celestial alignments to figure out the exact right time for the Mela. Their calculations and predictions are highly respected and followed by the devotees. They spend countless hours watching how the stars and planets move, ensuring that their observations are accurate. This dedication is essential for the successful timing of the Mahakumbh Mela. When everything lines up perfectly, the astrologers make an official announcement. This declaration signals to the people that it is time to prepare for the Mahakumbh Mela, marking the beginning of this grand and spiritually significant event. People from all different backgrounds come to the Kumbh Mela. They come from all over India. They even come from all over the world. It's amazing how many people are there. It's like a huge ocean of people, all joined together by their faith. The air is buzzing with devotion. You can hear people chanting Har Har Ganga everywhere. Pilgrims go into the holy water. They believe it washes away their bad deeds. The Kumbh Mela is a grand spectacle that showcases the rich tapestry of Hindu beliefs. It is a convergence of millions of devotees, each bringing their unique traditions and practices. The sheer scale of the event is awe-inspiring, with people from all walks of life coming together in a harmonious celebration of faith. Among the sea of pilgrims, you'll see numerous sadhus, the revered holy men of Hinduism. These ascetics, with their bodies painted in sacred symbols and their hair matted into long dreadlocks, are a sight to behold. They renounce worldly possessions and dedicate their lives to spiritual pursuits. These sadhus belong to various sects, each with its own distinct practices and philosophies. Some engage in intense meditation, while others perform elaborate rituals. Despite their differences, they all share a common goal of seeking spiritual enlightenment. The Kumbh Mela is not just about the sadhus. It is a melting pot of diverse groups of pilgrims, each contributing to the vibrant mosaic of the festival. People from different regions and backgrounds come together, creating a sense of unity and shared purpose. Despite the diversity, there's a profound sense of togetherness among the participants. Everyone is there for the same reason: to seek blessings, to perform religious rituals, and to connect with the divine. One of the most significant acts at the Kumbh Mela is taking a dip in the sacred river. This ritual is believed to purify the soul and wash away sins. Pilgrims also engage in meditation and offer prayers, deepening their spiritual connection. The Kumbh Mela is a celebration of faith, a testament to the enduring power of belief. The festive atmosphere, the joyous celebrations, and the solemn religious ceremonies all contribute to the profound spiritual experience. It is a reminder of the strength of the human spirit, the resilience of faith, and the unifying power of shared beliefs. The Kumbh Mela is not just a festival, it is a living tapestry of devotion, hope, and inspiration.